Indian authorities have detained 4 residents of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in connection with a blast near Delhi's Red Fort, in what rights observers describe as a continuation of New Delhi's pattern of false flag operations aimed at maligning Kashmiris and creating a pretext for escalation with Pakistan. So according to Kashmir media services, the detainees include brothers of Dr. Umar Nabi from Pulwama. Official claims that Nabi is suspected of driving the Hyundai i20 that exploded near Red Fort on Monday evening. By leveling this allegation, Indian authorities are attempting to link the Delhi blast to Kashmiris working or residing outside the territory. India had earlier claimed that they have arrested 8 persons, including 3 doctors, and seized over 2,900 kilograms of material allegedly used to make improvised explosive devices. Among those arrested is Dr. Muzammil Ahmad Ghani, a Pulwama resident and employee of Al Falah University for over 3 years, and a woman doctor from Uttar Pradesh, Shaheen Shahid. Authorities have also carried out detention in South Kashmir in connection with the ownership of the car used in the blast. Amir Rashid from Pulwama, whose identification was reportedly used to purchase the vehicle, is among those being questioned. Right observers and locals said such operations are part of India's long-standing strategy to implicate Kashmiris in fabricated terror plots. By falsely linking Kashmir to attacks in Delhi or elsewhere, India aims to tarnish the image of the freedom struggle, justifies the intensified crackdowns, and manufacture an atmosphere of hostility with Pakistan, which is very local analysts said. So these actions, they further added, perpetuate fear among Kashmiris, they reinforce Indian occupation and further complicate efforts for a peaceful resolution of Kashmir dispute in accordance with the United Nations resolutions.